guys! So welcome back to another vlog. So this is my aldanese. I am here right now at Naya Terminal 3. So, saan po ba ako pupunta? So, today, I'm currently going to South Korea. Actually, my sister is out there, but still waiting for our flights for 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And still now, the time is 1 a.m. in the morning and our counter's not still open actually. So we are just currently waiting as of now. But then I'm going to share with you guys the tips that or the step-by-step procedures that we are going to deal today. So samahan niyo po kami guys, and here it comes now. The first thing I do is nagbayad na po ako ng travel tax. And then the next thing we do now is hi guys, we are here at Naya Terminal 3 right now. So we having our
breakfast.
Breakfast na ba to? It's just only 11 a.m. in the morning. Ay, 11 p.m. in the late na. Actually, bawal akong kumain, but I need to eat something. And I have 2-piece chicken with salad. And she have some
Baconator and french fries.
yeah.
Is it on? Is it on? Oh my god.
Yeah, it is on. So later guys, I'm showing you what we're going to do here around the airport before going to South Korea. Yeah. It was her birthday tomorrow actually.
Happy birthday
So,
to Nine.
So today I'm going to show you the step by step. First, I already finished the travel tax, and then we're going to drop our luggage. So ito yung mga luggage namin na pagkabigat-bigat. So I got my annual bag, as you can see. And so later guys, so bear with my makeup today.
Mine too.
Yeah, I done her
By your
makeup
straw.
actually. So hi guys, dito po ako ngayon sa foreign exchange. Oh, magpapalit kami for Korean won kasi wala pa kaming mga cash. So, eto po muna yung ginagawa namin kasi yung counter namin is not still open. So, here, ang palitan ngayon is 0.49. So, papalit mo muna ako dito. Hi guys! So, we're going to check in. Right now guys, I'm going to sign up this departure card before entering the immigration. So here it is. So we already passed the immigration, and then right now we're going to our gate where we going to ride our airplane. So come here guys, let's go to Korea.